Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preserving what matters. Connect the charger and enable Wi-Fi so the backup won't fail mid-process. Sign into your primary accounts, Google, Apple, or device vendor, so Cloud Sync can capture contacts, calendars, and app settings. Next, scan storage and mark photos, downloads, and documents for export. Use File Manager or Gallery Select. Once done, create a local copy of very large items to a PC or external drive to ensure redundancy before proceeding to full backup. Now you execute concrete backups. Open backup settings and start a cloud backup so system settings and app data upload. Make sure backups complete successfully. While that runs, connect to a computer and transfer DSIM, downloads, and documents folders manually using USB file transfer for an extra copy. Export SMS or chat histories where supported and backup authenticator apps by saving recovery codes. If an app needs special export, follow its in-app backup flow. Make sure you verify file sizes and timestamps to confirm completeness. You finish by verifying backups. Open the cloud dashboard and a few transferred files on your PC, confirm photos, contacts, and a saved document open correctly. Sign out of accounts if required, then run the factory reset following on-screen prompts. After reset, restore from cloud or manual copies. If something doesn't restore, don't panic. Use the local copy on the external drive or PC and re-authenticate accounts. If an authenticator is lost, use saved recovery codes to recover services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.